Hello students, welcome to the English class. Today we are going to start the second lesson of Footprints Without Feet book. The title of the chapter is The Thief's Story. It is written by Ruskin Bond. Before starting the lesson, you should know the learning outcome of the story. First point is the significance of education in life. And second point is a person's life can be changed if he meets a mentor who can guide him and help him to choose right path in life. So let us start the lesson. First of all, you should know that the narrator narrated the whole story and introduced himself as a thief. So, I mean for the narrator. I mean for the thief. The story deals with a valuable relationship between two persons. There are two characters of the story. First is the thief, just as the title of the lesson, Thief's Story. And the second character is Anil. The central character of the story is a thief. The whole story revolves around him. His journey starts from a small thief to a respectable man is full of lesson. This story tells us how a thief changes into a good man. The center point of the story is Hari Singh, who is a thief. Hari Singh was a successful thief. He was about 15 years old. He was a clever thief. He changed his name every month. As you know, how do a thief change his name every month? He changed his name every month to save himself from the police and his former employees. He was a meticulous planner. He trapped his victims. After some time, he used to run away after stealing money. In the lesson, it was shown that he was a fairly successful hand. It means that he was an experienced thief, though he was 15 years old. He met Anil in a wrestling match. Anil, the second character of the story, he was about 25 years old. He was a simple, honest man. When Hari Singh asked Anil to go to his house, Anil was so simple person, he took Hari Singh to his house and gave him shelter. Anil knew that Hari Singh was a liar, but he did not say anything to him. Anil taught Hari Singh how to cook the food and to write his name. Anil also promised Hari Singh that after some time he will teach him to write whole sentences and to add numbers. One day, when Anil was sleeping, Hari Singh, as he was a professional thief, he took the money of Anil and reached the station. He ran and ran. He wanted to run away from that city, but suddenly his conscience stopped him. He realized the importance of education. He felt that if he had become an educated person, there would be no limit of his achievement, and there was only a person in the city who could teach him, who could make him an educated person and he was only Anil. Hari Singh also knew that it was very easy to become a thief and to be caught, but it was very difficult to be a big man, a respectable person. And he also knew that when Anil would come to know about theft, there would be feeling of sadness on Anil, not for the loss of money, but for the loss of trust. Thus, the importance of education changed Hari Singh. He returned to Anil and put money back under Anil's mattress. Next morning, when Anil woke up, he gave Hari Singh a 50 rupees note and told him that from that day on he would pay him regularly. In this way, this story shows that the love of Anil changed Hari Singh, who was basically a thief, into a simple, educated person. Thank you.